Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
With that, it then says the next step is the stator to go back on and against that spring. So I've got the stator washer Woodruff key. Woodruff key is half round, and that fits in the half round up here. Like that. Now I'm going to use some Loctite on this as well. That's 19. And where's my socket handle? Oh, I'll have to use this. No. So that was 19. Okay, let's see in there. That all seems good. Now I just need to find the torque specs. .8 kilograms a meter, that's 48 Newton meters. So I'll need the big one for that. I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, so I remember now I use this, which happens to be 3/4 inch, or 18. I'll need to stop this from turning. Make sure that everything's missing the magnets. That's listed against the footbed bolt. Okay, so that's set. Okay, so that's done. And now check to see what's next.